Okay, the last piece for the Casa de Campo, the new spa. This is the outdoor pool, and then they have an incredible aqua facility, indoor facility that we'll walk into. But obviously before or after your spa, you can come here, relax at the pool, at the outdoor pool here, and then you can walk into the water treatment, starting here with these chairs. They're hot thermal chairs that you can enjoy. You walk here into the middle. You have, it's actually for your feet. It's walking into hot water and then cold water to stimulate circulation. Behind there, you'll see the sauna and the steam room. You have thermal showers, ice for to improve circulation, and then of course you have your large hot tub here and your cold plunge to finish the treatment. So they included everything, built out everything here in the new spa to really take care of the wellness. So it's really creating a really great wellness destination to go with the golf and all the activities that we've been talking about.